Do your sprinklers not have very much pressure, and are you on secondary water? Chances are your filter is clogged up because this is pretty dirty water. Let's talk about step by step on how you can clean this out. It's actually really easy, so let's get into it. Okay, first thing is first, make sure you shut the secondary water off. This is typically going to be under a cap like this. They usually say irrigation. Sometimes the caps are different colors, or if you look near your filter, you'll have a handle. If the handle is turned parallel with the pipe, that usually means it's open. If it's perpendicular with the pipe, that means it's off. After the water is turned off, you're going to locate your filter. It's going to usually be in a green valve box. This is what the filter looks like. So after you've shut the water off and you have found the filter, just grab on and loosen this like a screw. If the water is on, it's going to start gushing out. Make sure you shut the water off. So pull this out, take a look at this filter. It's pretty dang nasty. Not as much water can flow through this. This is why this system does not have much water pressure. Grab your garden hose. That's all we need is water to spray this off. So just spray this off. Rub it around a little bit with your hands. Get it nice and clean. I also like to clean out the cap. This one has a lot of gunk in there as well. If you don't clean this out, the filter is just going to clog up much faster. Just make sure all the gunk is off. You're going to have discoloration. Just keep in mind, it's from dirty water. You're running dirty water through the system, so get all the gunk off. Okay, now put this filter back the way you found it. Tighten the cap back on. Typically just hand tight is enough. You don't want to over tighten this thing. Turn the water back on after this and make sure you don't have water coming out where you tighten this up, and you should be good to go. Okay, now go ahead and check your sprinklers. There's a good chance you have a lot more water pressure now because you get more water to the main system. I would definitely recommend doing this for sure every spring when you start the system up, and potentially once a month throughout the system because this water is pretty dirty. Go ahead and check out our page for more tip videos.